Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas, and Texas' best used motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Today I've got a 2004 GMC half-ton pickup I want to show you. It's a pretty tricked out truck. Got the airbags on it so you can raise and lower it. Got 24-inch rims. It's pretty sweet. It's got a few signs on it. I don't have my towel with me, my little shop rag, but we didn't even send this thing through detail yet. This is just the way it came into us. So it's a little bit dirty, but I can see there's a few spots on it, like right here on this front bumper, and then right down here along the edge of this fender, there's a few little spots. This looks like paint right there. I believe that might come off. Down here, a little scratch or two, and then right here on the door, a little chip here on the edge, a chip down here on this edge of this door. So I mean, it's got some places on it that certainly shows some signs of wear. But if you got about 8 or 10 feet back, it really looks nice. I mean, if you get back like right here, all of the little things I showed you, you know where they are, but they don't just pop out and look terrible. Got the tinted turn signal lenses up here, and you can see the truck hasn't been washed. We just took it in, so I wanted to get this video up for you so you could take a look at it. I don't think it's going to last long because it's really a pretty sweet little ride. It's got a fairly new motor in it too. I've got the paperwork I'll show you in just a minute. So some of this stuff that looks like little dings, it's actually dirt. Looks like down here there might be a little spot. Tinted tail light lenses, French stem bumper. This string right here, you could actually tuck it up underneath there if you wanted to, but I left it out just so I could pull it and show you the way they did this back end. I'm not going to fold that all the way back. It actually has another latch right here, but just wanted to show you how they did the cutouts for the fender wells and the axle. It looks like it's very nicely done. The tires look pretty good on it. There's still a lot of tread left on them. 24-inch rims. See this one over here. It's got the shaved door handle, so it has a key fob to get in, which I just happen to have right here. So we'll push this little button here, back up. The door unlocks. Well, it fell back too. Alright. Interior looks pretty good. There's a dime, a lucky day. Again, we haven't detailed, vacuumed, or anything on this truck. Electric windows, electric door locks. Air conditioner blows really cold in this truck. Let me get the key back out. I don't know why I put it up. We'll fire it off and let you listen to it. Sounds really nice. Yeah, the AC blows real cold. Truck's got 72,576 miles on it. Full instrumentation. got a upgraded stereo in it, JVC stereo. The dash looks good. Headliner looks good. Other door panel looks good. Seats in nice shape. Truck's in pretty sweet condition. Here's the paper on that motor. Let's see if I can get it to where you can read it here. It says, I don't know if we're in focus. .3 GM rebuilt engine, $1,500. So I don't actually know who did this. It's got Forbes Rebuilt Auto Parts in Fort Worth. That's where the motor came from. Pull that hood and let you look under there. It's pretty clean. It actually runs, it looks like a cold air intake on it. It's got the, it runs real good and quiet. I don't hear any kind of knocking or rattling or tapping or any of that stuff. The engine's nice and quiet. I don't know what kind of exhaust we have on here, but it sounds pretty good. Take a look under here and see what it looks like. Looks good and clean underneath. Looks like that's the compressor up here. Air tank. Compressor over on that other side, or I guess that's what raises and lowers the airbags there. I noticed here behind the seat, that little deal there is a, let's see what that is. You folks probably know more about that than I do. It looks like some kind of a charger or something. There's the little speaker box, fire extinguisher. There's no smoke. I think it's a pretty sweet little ride. If you'd like to know more about it, just call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. That's American Motorcycle Trading Company. Or you can call Texas Best Used Motorcycles at 817-985-8888. Any of those sales guys can tell you all about this truck. I was going to show you right quick the truck sitting down. Want to make sure you never shut the doors with the windows up and the keys in, so probably a good idea to let that window down. But when you set the truck down, right here you gotta, this is your air compressor. Turns the air compressor on. There's your air gauge up here in the overhead console. And these two buttons right here control the up and down. You don't want to just hit them and hold them or it'll slam the truck all at once all the way down. You want to kind of bump it down. Alright, now we'll take a look at it. And she slammed. Pretty cool ride, huh? I left that compressor turned on. so we can build up enough air to get it back up to where we can raise it up. I did notice, this is the front one, comes right up. That's the back one, it comes right. I did notice that on the front, I think one of the airbags might have a little slow leak in it. It seems like it kind of goes down a little bit over time. All right, well, this is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas, and Texas' best used motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. We sell and ship bikes and cars all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. Thanks for looking.